Hypocrisy.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Lost Planing the Interwebs. I'm really late. Sorry. Whoa. It's these early mornings are killing me. Absolutely murderous. But I'm seeing a bunch of stuff about court being canceled. Is it true? Let me see. NBC 10 Boston. Yeah, they don't have anything going. They don't have anything going live right now. Karen is not feeling well. Well, that's boring. Who cares? Oh, you just get to call in sick to your murder trial? Yeah, sorry, my tummy hurts. Well, now I have to change the stupid title to these things. Unavoidable circumstances. Why did her leaky butt get everywhere? That's gross. All right, what are we doing then? Judge Bev struck Karen with her car. Yeah, all the taillights in Canton are gone. Oh. If you think I'm going to just quit then, I probably should. I got a lot to do out here. But, I mean, I'm here. I think Lady Raggets would like it if I, didn't do court all day. But hey, so that's one thing. That's one option we could have is don't do anything. Turn off the stream. Go do life. Maybe there's no content for today. Content's gone. Look, guys, I was trying to get like a supply of content somewhere from my guy, and he's dry, man. He's dry, which means I'm dry. I don't know. This content stuff. Go get a haircut. Oh, I need one so bad. It's crazy. And here's the thing. I missed 2 days of this stupid trial. So we could do some of that, you know. Oh, that's weird. This is Barks Red Cream Soda. I've never seen it before. I think it's new. Thought you were just smarter than Kurt and knew it was canceled. I am. I did. This is all an act. We definitely knew it was canceled the entire time. What do we got here?
You should take a look into the Buffalo NY school abuse cover you Cassandals from the Buffalo Police SVU detective. Who knows, that pasty white man who likes to pizza casserole might be involved.
Oh my God. No, he isn't. Kurt isn't there. What are you guys talking about? Cover Good Logic's take on the Diddy trial. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Emergency haircut day. We got to get a haircut. Stat. Let's go. Let's go. Ah! My cool barber has been, he changed all his hours on me. So I never, it's hard to get into him anymore. He only cuts on like Thursday, Friday, and Saturday now. He's like, I'm too cool. I'm too cool to cut hair like a normal human. Let's see. We can talk only my personal drama. We'll do that. Just Nick's personal drama and personal life and nothing else. No law. If any law happens, I have to make a cut on my arm like an emo teenager. YouTube just kicked you out of the stream. Yeah, it does that a lot to me now. I don't know. I don't know what happened. Like if I didn't pay the gas bill or something. I got to hand crank the streaming software. No home vids of butt stuff, please. I don't have any other kind. Does it taste like Big Red? Kinda. Kinda. And I have a trauma associated with Big Red. Childhood trauma. Everything bad in my life is from a childhood trauma. Oh, except for all the consequences of my actions. Jim tells you, says, do you want me to send you some story links? Nope. No, I think maybe in just a minute we'll maybe watch some Karen Reed stuff that I missed. What do you guys think? We can do that. No, I was staying at a friend's house. Actually, this is weird. It was the first time I was ever in Wilmer, which is near where I live now. But I'd never been to Wilmer, but my friend moved out here. And so I came to like spend the night for a couple nights, hang out with my friend. And his parents were smokers. I had a cool can of Big Red, and I had a cool can of Big Red, and I left it out overnight. That was a mistake. That was not a good choice. I went to go take a sip of it the next day, and it was just full of cigarette ashes and a little bit of Big Red. There was some left in there. I guess that mildly toned down the horror of all the cigarette ashes in my mouth. Is easier to keep fit while doing drugs. Well, yes. Did you fuck his wife too? Yes, at 14, I was very active. Oh my gosh. Read your super chat, you sleepy fuck. Yes, I will. I will do that. That'd be Code Red, not Big Red. No, it was Big Red back then. It's a long time ago, man. That would have been 30 years ago. Code Red didn't exist yet. Let's see. Q Revere says chat's full of retards. So slow mode is on. Late and gay. No, I started using slow mode a couple years ago because I was tired of having the mods time people out for spam. When I realized I could just stop pretty much almost entirely stop spam by just putting a 10-second slow mode delay on, which I think it should be 10 seconds. Yeah. So that's how I set up every stream. Just have a 10-second slow mode, and then spam becomes impossible. It's amazing. And I don't have to have mods think, oh, like, is this spam or is it not? Like, it's 3 times within a couple seconds. But Not Cupcake says, for those of you who didn't purchase the Hackamania live stream, it will be on the Nobody Likes Onion YouTube channel at 10:45 a.m. Well, that's the Nobody Likes Onion show. Will be on the YouTube channel at 10:45 a.m. I believe. And then the This Little Piggy show that I was on was released yesterday. So you can go see that if you want. That's all about my personal drama, which I don't talk about on here very much because that's not what this channel's for. Christine Fortunato, thank you for being a member for 21 months. That's really cool. Scott Christie Jones says, how about the UK Supreme Court ruling RE biology? What, did the Supreme Court decide that biology exists or doesn't? But I'm gonna have to retitle this. Let's see. Karen Reed trial. Court is canceled. Chatting and recapping, I guess. Hold on. I'm gonna change the Rumble link to. Let's see. Where are we? Edit. No, I don't. I want to edit the title. Fucking hell. I think I. Oh, wait, no, here we go. So I tweeted out that I was going to go live or whatever. Hey, you spelled that wrong. Good Lord. How embarrassing. So I tweeted out that I was going to go live a little bit ago, and someone responded, court was canceled an hour ago. Don't you do any show prep? It's like, no, I was asleep, you idiot. Jesus. I woke up and went, oh my God, I'm an hour late. I got to go. Didn't do show prep like between between waking up, making that tweet. It was like, I didn't even have clothes on yet. What were you up so late doing? Not being able to sleep. Mike M says, women ruin true crime for men. Let's just be real. Well, you just have to kill him then. So you're, show him how to do it right. This is a pro murder channel. Narcoleptic insomniac. Yeah, I mean, yes. I don't know. Nick Naylor, can't sleep on cocaine. Got him. Piss test now. Let me check. I actually do need to check and see if I have to drug test today. Thanks for reminding me. Very helpful, chat. Da, 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 da. Do not test today. That's cool. Narcolepsy. His hands fall off when he falls asleep. That'd be inconvenient. Are we watching the first day of Cross with Buchanan or whatever? We could. That's what people said. Like, don't bother watching Direct Exam for him because it's stupid, but watch the Cross. We could do that.
Check out the Brooks Law Firm. We specialize in objections, judicial determinations, legal findings of facts, witness badgering, courtroom interruptions, judge stare downs, talking over everyone. You know what? They share building box forts during testimony, interpretive signs, and more. Become a gold member for our specialized transport service where we get you to the courthouse or jail in a hurry. Call today.
We take the parade route. Neil says, what would you say is the average amount you get asked to get tested each week/month? Well, so far it's been less than once a week. Do you say soda or pop? I never say pop. I hate that word. I say soda, or I just say the name of the soda, or I just call it a Coke, like I call everything Coke. His tweet is gross. We don't know if Karen is sick. No info has leaked about the reason. Come on, don't make fun of her Crohn's. Oh my gosh. Okay, do you guys want to do that? We'll watch some of the cross exam of Yuri. Nick, fix your hair. My hair is fixed. I did it on purpose. Wouldn't even the presumably ignorant to the ways of the legal world be wondering why the hell nearly 2 weeks in there's no evidence directly regarding the death? Yeah, I mean, I would think so. If I was a juror, I would be, right? Ignorant or no ignorance. The fuck is going on? Oh. Oh my gosh. Mm-mm-mm. All right, let's Oh, wait, I thought they did an LO live from Hackmania earlier. I don't know, doesn't matter. Let me find Yuri here, and or I guess we'll just go. God, just trying to figure out the best way to do this. Mm-mm. Okay, Karen Reed trial. Okay, they have recaps. Be interesting to watch, maybe. Like NBC 10 has a lawyer who recaps stuff for their show or for the Karen Reed trial. All right, no, this is Let me see if this is the right one. Okay, so hold on, it started the one before this. I just got to find out where cross exam started this guy. The cross exam, watching the cross exam, it's over a day long. I don't want to watch over a day of testimony. Hmm. Hmm. Trying to figure out what to do. I have a lot to go do here around the house. This is kind of annoying. Stupid court. I hate you. I hope you die. You can fast forward. Let's see. You get to chop all the brakes and sidebars. I mean, kind of. Hmm. I think maybe. If court's not on, I think I should probably not. I'm thinking through this. I think I got some stuff I really like. I really need to take care of some stuff with Lady Rackets, and having a day is really a lot of value. I don't know how to say it any other way. I got a lot of stuff to do. So I think I'm going to actually end this stream really early, like in the next couple minutes here. And then I might do something later in the day when after getting things taken care of around here. This is the worst stream since you returned. I know. I didn't know what to do. My whole plan got thrown off. Stop explaining like a gay woman. Well, I explain it like a straight woman. Give me 2 hours. So we're going to do that. Hey guys, thanks for showing up. Sorry for being an hour late to nothing. What a strange turn of events. But yeah, I'm going to go take care of some administrative stuff called hanging out with the lady. It's great. The kids are all with my parents, so we get to go like actually get some stuff done. So I'll oh shit. Lazytarian says calling everything a Coke either makes you an ATLian or a Minnesota lawyer. Yes. All right. I will announce if I'm going to do any other streaming later this afternoon or evening. I need to do like like the night shows. Also, Cody's invited me on tonight to co-host with him. I don't know if I'm going to or not. I would love to do so. Here's the funny thing. If I co-host with Cody and you guys come join me, you can you can super tip and I can play him in the middle of his show. That would be hilarious. But oh, here we go. Speaking of,
I like summaries because I can't stand listening to people who just lie and deflect and don't just admit they're bad people who suck sweaty, salty Satan balls.
Sweaty, salty Satan balls. So, all right. I love you all very much, and I will see you really soon. Either later today or definitely tomorrow. We'll be back for the trial, assuming court is in session. But yeah, I'm going to take the opportunity to go get some stuff done. Maybe I'll get a haircut, which would be cool. And I will see you guys after that. All right. Go ahead and stay tuned into Locals or Twitter or whatever and look for an announcement. I may be doing a show a little bit later, but we'll see. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Sorry for the short stream. Sorry, court was stupid. We'll see you soon. Have a good night. Day, whatever, morning. Holy crap, the whole day left. Peace. Peace.
Oh, he drinks a fair bit, but you realize that it just helps get his noggin jogging along. With his glass by his side and his kids asleep tight, we'll hear some lost-plaining tonight. With his microphone muted, we'll laugh at this boomer until he explains it's all part of the plan. Watch his face become redder as he becomes madder, raging at idiots from Twitter and Erland. From the white shores of Maine to the hills of Glenlivet, there's no one who explains the law better than Nick. So pour out a glass for the ones who have passed to make the law what we have now. Oh, his lady is fair, and she handles herself with the grace of one who has borne many children. As the wife of a lawman, she makes sure that he has the time and the place to provide for them there. So pour out an ardbeg, a bow, more of the frog. The spirits flow as the ones who get unemployed. So pour out a glass for the tea post on Twitter as we hear lost-plaining tonight. From the white shores of Nairn to the hills of Glenlivet, there's no one who explains the law better than Nick. So pour out a glass for the ones who have passed to make the law what we have now. Oh, the guests are all plentiful, from Doug T to Drexel. They bring their perspective and spice to the mix. But the reason we're here rare. So pour out an odd bag of more of the brook. Spirits flow as the ones who get unemployed. So pour out a glass for the tea post on Twitter as we hear Lost Painting tonight. From the white shores of Nairn to the hills of Glenlivet, there's no one who explains the poem better than Nick. So pour out a glass for the ones who have passed to make the law what we have.